Hi guys, and welcome to the video, and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, we are going to be opening up my Boxycharm box. I'm not sure if this is the regular or the premium, but we will figure it out when I open it up, and then obviously you guys are gonna know already because it's gonna be the title of the video. But as of right now, I don't know what this box is, if I'm being completely honest. Also, to those of you who don't know, this is my kitty. His name is Yeti, and he's beautiful, and he loves you guys. Mwah! Okay, that's enough. You're stealing the show. He just wants to be in here for this video. So anyways, I assume this is probably the premium box because it's bigger, but I've had regular Boxycharm boxes come in this one because there's been a product in there that's like bigger. So I'm not exactly sure, but I'm almost positive this is the premium. But yeah. Also, I saw they're doing some kind of contest where if you have a Hello Charmer upside down, you get to enter to win like $1,000 worth of products. So I cannot wait to see if mine says Hello Charmer upside down. But anyways, this intro has been long enough. I really am excited to see what's in here. So if you guys have not already given this video a thumbs up, do so to show your love and support. If you haven't subscribed, please do so as well. It would mean it so much to me, so much. You have no idea. And if you haven't subscribed to my ASMR channel yet, there will be a link down below. Go subscribe and show me some support over on that channel as well. And shortly, hopefully, you will not be taped to a box anymore. I had ordered a tripod. It said it was gonna ship April 30th, and now it's saying it might ship like the 22nd or something like that. So hopefully really soon we can have a tripod and I can get up off this floor. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, what's really super freaking exciting is the fact that I'm gonna be getting a new makeup vanity on Monday. Today is Saturday. Monday is 2 days away, and I cannot wait to build it and share my whole experience with you guys. It's gonna be so much fun. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, okay, so this is the premium. Hello Charmer is upside down, so I am eligible for the giveaway, which is amazing because, like, you know, I love a giveaway. I love $1,000 worth of products, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. Here's my card. We will see what is in here. We have something 20% off of your purchase of a makeup eraser using Boxy 20. I have a makeup eraser. It's really great. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry, but I'm also not sorry. Okay. Oh my God. I got the one item that I absolutely wanted out of everything. I got the item, so let's just dab on that. I got the Allure Beauty Life's a Drag freaking eyeshadow palette. I wanted this. I wanted it, and now I have it. Oh, I am so excited. Let's open it up. It's big. It's bigger than I thought. Like, I didn't think this was gonna be so big. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I cannot believe that I have this. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is the palette that I wanted. How freaking, like, lucky was that? How lucky. Look at Manny's eyes. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh, and then it's like gold sparkly. Oh, I love that. Okay. Oh, it is so pretty. Oh my God. Look at you taped to a box. Literally, you're taped to a box. Oh my God. I'm so excited. These colors are so much prettier in person. Oh my God. Okay, I'm so excited. You have absolutely no idea. I really wanted this palette. Now I have it, and my life is absolutely completed. Yes. I want to see more Allure Beauty in the boxes. I've been trying to get my hands on the lightest shade of his little highlighter, but they've been sold out everywhere. Ugh. Oh, and even the back is so pretty. Okay, great. Very excited. Let's look at the retail value. This retails for $45. Next. All right, we have something from Allure Beauty. This is the Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. I'm not going to open it. I'm gonna let it stay in the bottle and stay fresh so I can use it when I get to it, because I don't want to open it up and then like the expiration dates start counting down and then it get all gross when I decide I want to use it. So I got that, and that retails for a total of $26 for a mascara. That's more expensive than like Tarte and Too Faced. Like, no ma'am. Then I have something from Nude Sticks. This is the Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. Don't know why it's magnetic. Is that just like, is it actually or no? I don't think it is, but this retails for $28, which that for a lipstick is ridiculous. No ma'am. I wonder if it smells good. It just smells like a normal like lipstick. But I'm excited to try this and add it to my collection. I actually decluttered some Nude Sticks products, like the actual crayons. I didn't like them, but I've never tried this. This is in the shade Waikiki Rose. Here I have what I think is the brush thing. Yeah, Opulent Beauty is the brand of these 5 lavish brushes, and these retail for $40. Oh my god. These better feel like they literally retail for $40. Oh, wait, this is not the 5-piece brush set. This is a 3-piece brush set. I thought it was the eye brushes. Okay. Actually, so incredibly happy that I didn't get more eye brushes. Just because I have so many, and if I had to get like, I love eye brushes, don't get me wrong. I would be 100% happy to have them, but if I had to pick between face brushes and eye brushes, I would pick face because I need more face brushes. These actually feel really soft and really nice, but they also feel really cheap. Like the hardware and stuff feel really cheap, so I'm not sure where the $40 quality comes in, because I have really cheap brushes that feel just like this, but happy to have them and add them to my collection. Here I have my choice product. This is a Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Rose Gold Retro, which I think you got between this shade and another shade, and I remember I wanted the rose gold one, so I'm happy that I got it. Ooh, pretty. Look at that. Super excited. I've actually been using a lot of these lately on my eyes, even though they're not in my like my stash, but I've been using them like on top of eyeshadows to just kind of brighten and liven the look up a little bit. Very pretty. Excited to play around with this. And then the last item in the box is not my choice item. This is the Levito Inspired by Nature Age Away Replenishing Cream. Grapefruit seed, melissa, and avocado. There's a little bit of some melissa in here. I don't know what that is, but it's in here. All right, so this is what it looks like. Age Away Replenishing Cream. Okay, let's give it a whiff. Smells like roses. Smells really good. This is not a product that I actually need, but I'm gonna pass this on to my mother. I'm like getting her little goodie bag started up, so this is gonna go to my mother. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm box, and that Levito retails for $69. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6 products came in the box. And oh, if you bought anything from Misguided, you can save 55% off of your next order if you use the code BOXY55, and the code is valid between April 15th through May 15th. So that's cool. I think I'm gonna look up some Misguided stuff. I've never shopped from there. Actually, I don't think I've ever been on their website, but might as well look if you have a 55% off code. Oh, and Boxy pop-up is about to come up again on Tuesday, May 12th, and they're showing some deals that you can get. You got the Glam Glow Essential Mask and Moisture Set, the Paracone MD Citrus Brightening Cleanser, the Pretty Rich Too Faced Palette, which I just got rid of on my Poshmark, the Benefit Contour Pen, which I probably will pick up because I am loving the one that I'm using now, and then the Foxy Bay Curling Iron. So this is what that is. I'm just going to show you. And then these are like the Boxy pop-up spoilers, which I already have a video on it on my channel now, which I have lots of different Boxycharm, what is it called, spoilers up. There's more spoilers out. I just haven't made a video about them because I'm kind of like done with spoilers for a while. I've just been like doing them. I'm kind of bored of doing them. Look at how pretty this is once it dries down. So gorgeous. Anyways, that is it for the video. I am so excited about all of these products, especially the Life's a Drag palette. Like, how lucky was that I got that palette? Like, there was all those choices and I got the one that I wanted. Like, that is luck, pure luck. That is all that is luck. So very excited. What did you guys get in your Boxycharm premium boxes? I want to know. I will be having my regular Boxycharm unboxing on Monday because I will get it on Monday, and I want to know in that video what you got in your regular Boxycharm box. But for this video specifically, what did you get in your Boxycharm premium? Are you satisfied? Did you get everything you wanted? I'm actually, for the first time, 110% 100% going to use every single product except for this one, but this is gonna go to my mom, so I'm very, very, very excited about this box. This one was really good for me. Very excited. I love it. I can't wait to see what I got on my regular Boxycharm so much, because there was really good spoilers for that, so I'm excited. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go check out my recent videos that aren't spoilers, like my 21 days of beauty haul where I unboxed so many products that I got from that sale. I have a collab up with Noelle showing you the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette look that she picked out for me. I have so many videos going up soon that you guys are going to really enjoy. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, stay tuned, hit the bell notification so you're aware of when I upload, even though YouTube doesn't ever tell you anymore. But anyways, that is it for the video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!